Using a winch. To begin, locate the winch remote control. Ensure the lead is at the bottom when holding it. Press the out button on the remote and walk towards the bottom of the wheelchair access ramp as the strap extends. Once the winch strap is sufficiently extended, remember to place the remote control back in its holder inside the vehicle to prevent damage. Attach the winch straps to either side of the wheelchair frame, ensuring they're not attached to the removable items like footplates. Position both straps at the same height on each side of the wheelchair for stability. With the winch straps securely in place, stand at the rear of the wheelchair, holding both handles of the wheelchair and the winch remote control. Press the in button on the winch remote to allow it to manage the weight of the wheelchair as you guide it into the vehicle. Once the wheelchair is correctly positioned in the vehicle, release the in button to stop the winch. Once the wheelchair is in place, fit the front wheelchair restraints. When the restraints have been safely fitted, remove the winch to clear the wheelchair user's path. Release the tension on the straps and safely detach them from the wheelchair. Finally, return the remote to its holder and you're done.